Good morning, sleepyhead. Butter Zoo. Okay.
Logan Paul.
Alright, how is it going, guys? What's up? Back to a brand new video on my channel, Austin Gary. So currently right now it is 7:22 in the morning. You guys just saw there, I just woke Nathan up. We are dead tired. The reason we're waking up early today is we have a huge schedule planned for us today. First thing we're doing today is a garage sale. Second thing we're doing today is we're going to Daytona Beach for Stunt Fest. Nathan's single and he likes that idea.
No.
Nathan, do you like girls?
No.
Nathan?
No.
So what you say before we jump into this video, everyone subscribe right now and drop a like in this video. Let's hop right into it. Hey Nathan, how you enjoying your Cheerios I made for you?
No flavor.
It's milk at this point. Hey Allie. Hey girl. Hey Allie. Hey Ace.
That's no danger yet.
Okay, so Allie has a motto for us. What is it, Nathan?
No danger. See no danger.
She smells literally everything, so we know. Ace is a little snaggletooth. He's a little retarded. Hey, Ace. So it's currently about like 7:40 right now, and we have a lot of stuff to do. Garage still starts at like 8 o'clock, and we have to leave all this stuff. Alright, so it's been about like 20 minutes since I picked up the camera. We finished putting everything out for the garage sale this morning. The rest of the video will be focused on Daytona. So we're gonna head out there now, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we have out there. Whoa!
I've seen the wasteland of these empty words. This life is a battle.
We got $10.
For what?
Let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna set my camera up here and let's hit some sales.
In hindsight, and as I lay here in the street.
Oh my fish tank.
No. Killed your fish. First person of the day, 50 bucks on that. Alright, now, so before we hop on to the video, I just want to say a couple things before we jump into this. So you guys know, if you're new, my videos become very slow at the beginning and then work their way up and become very fast and entertaining at the end, towards the middle of videos. So obviously we're going to Daytona today. We're going to be at the beach the entire time, which means I'm not going to be using this camera too much, which means that I'm going to be using my GoPro a lot in the water. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. I'm going to be making videos daily, so go ahead and subscribe now and hit that bell for me. We are about to head out right now and go to Daytona. Allie, you want us to leave? Hey boy. We are going to a hotel on the beach, so I will see you guys when we are there. Or we're gonna take my hand off the camera. Boom, and now 7 hours later, we're here. So we were supposed to only have a 2-hour drive, but it ended up being 7 hours of the traffic. So this room right here, my sister took my mom's credit card and she ordered a suite. How's the place so far, Nathan?
It's okay.
So let's go ahead and give you guys a tour. So we got the kitchen, a bed here,
And then that's it.
a bed here, closet that Nathan's gonna come out of later.
And that's it.
You walk in here, we have a bedroom here for my parents. We have a super small bathroom here. There's not much room to move in here, but it works. Oh, what I said before, guys, Nathan's gonna come out of the closet. What?
Oh, what? Get out of my room! I'm playing Minecraft!
Okay. Nathan, you need to be nice.
I'm playing Minecraft.
You need to come out. You need to come out of the closet now.
No.
Nathan.
Okay, I'll come out.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
What was that?
Oh!
I'm gonna...
The unluckiness of that. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay, calm down. Hey, put the camera down.
That's one.
No. Oh.
The teeth.
Oh.
That was 2.
Okay. Okay.
Now I have 3.
Wait.
It smells like weed.
It smells like weed?
There's kind of flies.
It's a fly. What's it gonna do?
There's like 20 flies. Let me in.
Okay. Nathan, since we're at Daytona, what do you want to do?
I'm just gonna play Minecraft.
Yeah, Sierra, get through the lighting and everything. Act like you have friends.
Can you please press record? We just got to Daytona and we're with Paige, Jam.
I looks like a lobster. You're out here, Nathan. Say hi.
Hello.
Oh, hell yeah. Check it out, Nathan.
Leave me here, you never good enough. Won't change a thing now. felt it all. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The deal is gone. Ooh, baby, when you go like you choose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my hold of you. All you did was tell me lies.
Oh my god!
That I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The deal is gone. Is gone. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today.
This is so bad. It is on high.
Oh wow, that's it.
Oh.
Oh. As you guys can see, it is 5:24. Right now I'm guessing we're about like 6 minutes into the video. If you guys are enjoying the video right now, go down and subscribe and drop a like in this video. Then
Yes, ma'am.
come around the corner, I'm recording you. Do something cool. Oh! No, not the closet. Not the closet.
I'll be back when I need to.
Okay.
And God said, let there be light.
First try.
God said,
Nathan.
let there be light.
Oh, come on, dude.
Let there be light.
We were just in the pool down there, and I don't know where else anyone is. Nate Doggy D, where are you?
Be a money bun.
Yeah. Oh! 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 Alrighty guys, now it is nighttime out. I'm sorry I haven't picked up the camera very much at all. As you can tell, we're out here at the one and only beach, Daytona Beach. So that's gonna be the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Before I wrap up the video, go ahead and check out that night view. We got that blue pool. We got that beautiful ocean that you cannot see. Nice thing next to me. Oh, you can see what's happening in their room. Nothing freaky. My best view at all, right there. All of these things, not yet. These out. All these gnats right out here right now. Alright, so that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, subscribe. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And subscribe to my channel. Drop a like in this video and subscribe like I said before. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. And peace out. Daily uploads coming soon.